Are you tired of your feet slipping on your car's pedals, especially during spirited driving? This CSTY 21565 accessory for the Peugeot 308S, 3008, 4008, and 5008 models might just be the solution you've been looking for. It's a three-piece set designed to enhance both the look and the functionality of your brake, accelerator, and clutch pedals. The product description emphasizes a crucial point: compatibility. It stresses that you need to ensure your car's pedal area matches the product's picture, as different production runs in different countries can lead to variations. This is a really important heads-up to avoid disappointment. The item length is listed as 58 cm, which seems a bit long for just pedal covers, so it's likely referring to the packaging or perhaps a combined measurement. The chromium styling type suggests a sleek, metallic finish that should add a touch of sportiness to the interior. Installation, while not detailed here, is typically a straightforward process for these types of accessories, often involving screws or clips. The main benefit, however, is the anti-skid feature. These covers are designed with textured surfaces to provide significantly better grip than standard rubber pedals. This can be a game changer for safety, especially in wet conditions or when wearing certain types of footwear. Beyond the practical aspect of grip, the aesthetic upgrade is undeniable. The chromium styling can elevate the interior from ordinary to something a bit more premium and performance-oriented. It's a small change that can make a noticeable difference in the overall feel of the driving experience. The set includes covers for the brake, accelerator, and clutch, offering a complete transformation for the driver's footwell. It's worth double-checking the color, size, and quantity before ordering to ensure you're getting exactly what you expect. Overall, for Peugeot owners looking for a blend of enhanced grip and a stylish interior update, this accessory set appears to be a promising option, provided your vehicle's pedal configuration is a match.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.